Previously on the Grilosodes, we were living the Cali life. Our trip in California was coming to an end, and JP Walker invited me to this really cool event up at Big Bear. It was a handplant contest, and they built this insane bowl which just had endless opportunities just to shred it up. This season was really insane. Like, we got to do a lot of different projects. Like, some of them were really artsy, like working with the super slow-mo camera, the Phantom, or doing urban projections in Ljubljana. And then some of them were just ripping insane powder in Austria, which was unbelievable. Or going to Bulgaria, like inspiring little kids there to become pros or just like to snowboard a lot. Like, what really stands up in my mind is, of course, doing a lot of events like the Style Session at Aaron Style, riding with the biggest legends of snowboarding. So like, when I sum it up, it was just insane, I think, like just doing all this different stuff that made the season perfect.
Sidewalks spill in the street, and we fill our bars with our empty hearts, and we glue the parts again. We all want someone to listen as the days they come and go. Yeah, we all need someone and move on. The weeks they come and go.
So after the super long season, it was just awesome to do something that's kind of the essence of snowboarding, you know, like just go out and ride with your homies, do something super fun. And that's why this Handplant event just came at the perfect time. And I really didn't expect the invitation, because most of the guys there are like really core gibber dudes, and I'm really not. And but it was really awesome to get to hang out with those dudes, and I had a blast.
A single stall with stickered walls, house keys and a kiss. I start to think that you are thinking what I'm thinking. I'd like a chance to show my instincts to your instincts.
Marco's actually like running through all types of crazy stuff, so.
You got that, Grilo.
Oh, dude, why do you always say that?
I think you do.
These guys are just sending me into some uncomfortable situation right now.
Marco Grilo!
The street lights bouncing off bar signs. Sidewalks spill in the street, and we fill our bars with our empty hearts, and we glue the parts again. We all want someone to listen as the days they come and go. Yeah, we all need someone and move on. The weeks they come and go.
I want to thank everybody for watching the episodes this year, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we had fun riding, and yeah, I'll see you guys next year.